Welcome to my class. Mwalimu Festus is my name. I want to talk about Down syndrome and the clinical features that a nurse can observe. You find a child with low IQ learning disability, but there are things that you can observe like the small ears and the level of the ear and the inner canter of the ear, and the eyes are not in the same level. And we have the short neck stature, and we have the upward slanting gaze. You find that the eyes are like slanting like this. Then there is a flattened eye facial profile, like the face is flattened. You also can find children with hypotonia, low muscular tone. They have no energy. The congenital art defects that I'm going to discuss in details and give examples. You find a child with one palmar crease. The palmar crease is these lines. So you only single palmar crease, and then the child is very short stature, very short. There is always something you can look at, like sandal gap. The sandal gap is the space between the toe, the big toe, and the small toe. That is called the sandal gap in between the big toe and the small toe. So there is a very big gap in. Also in the intraoral features, you can see fissured tongue. The tongue is broken, is fissured. Then you can also see something we call microglossia. Macroglossia is the large tongue. Tongue is very big. That is Down syndrome. You can also see microdontia. Microdontia is small teeth. You find the teeth, they are very small. And also we have the eye arch palate. The eye arch palate, this side the palate is this inner side of your mouth, the upper side. You find it's very arched. And we also have delayed tooth eruption. You find mtoto amekaa bila kumea meno for long. So systematically, we have central nervous system. What you can see is the intellectual disabilities and the developmental delays. Watoto utapata wako na poor speech, delayed speech, motor delays. They have no energy, like they can't, and they have like memory loss. They have early Alzheimer's, dementia, and they are children. In the central nervous system, you find congenital art defects, for example, VSD, ASD, and AVSD. Also in the GI system, you will find GI anomalies like duodenal atresia, Hirschsprung disease, celiac diseases at early childhood. Endocrinal system, you find children already have hypothyroidism, the thyroid dysfunction. Other problems are like sleep apnea, obstructed sleep apnea at a very early age, also. And the other problems are like hearing loss. At very childhood, you find that they have hearing loss. Those are sensorineuronal diseases, hearing losses, and they also have contractive hearing loss. You find, and unless you come, you need to come close to the child for them to hear. So that is Down syndrome. If you see a child like that, you know that is Down syndrome as a nurse. Thank you.